All right, here we are back to 50's. Kind of just cruising right along here. So I know there's that guy. He sells all kinds of stuff from Pals and Camaros. So that guy sells all kinds of stuff, classic parts. So people will sell stuff. So it's kind of cool. How long have you had this car?
15-ish, 20 years.
Oh, okay, cool. Nice. Nice. That's nice. It's a rag top, man. Put her down. Still a nice vehicle. Probably 62, 63. Needs a little work. It's not an SS. Cool. That's a classic one right here. Yeah. Huh. 1935. It's a nice. I love these older ones. These are nice. Corvette. Nice. The old two-seater. $1960. Classic. This would be a fun one to putt around in.
I actually got a 31 just like this.
Oh, do you?
This looks so close.
Yeah.
Same condition, but mine's got a flathead in it.
Nice. What year is this?
This is a 29.
Okay, nice.
Almost just same color as mine.
Really?
Almost same condition.
How long have you had yours?
I just got it.
Oh, did you?
I just bought it in February.
Get a good price on it or what?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I came out of California.
yeah, sometimes you get lucky that somebody wants to sell it really bad.
Yeah.
You never know.
There was a guy out of Hibbing
Yeah.
that owned Sammy's Pizza.
Okay.
He bought it, started fixing it all up. I got a whole book full of receipts and stuff. And it's almost done except for interior and top.
Right.
A few other some details.
Right.
Just finished enough for me to put my own details on it.
Perfect. Yeah, it's always nice. You get that lucky someone selling a vehicle at the right time. Cool. Like a little pink one right here. It's nice. A lot of trucks. This is the biggest car show in the Midwest. Classic four-door right here. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Well, let's go back over here. Have to walk down the road here. So this is like an offshoot of the parking lot. God, that's bright. Goodness. Classic Ford.
Had to buy batteries.
59.
They are.
Mass part, $3,200 for us, all the price, and it's all good to go. They're good with everything else, so it's like good.
Yeah, so that young man he likes the 59 Rancheros. Wherever you are, young man, this is your Ranchero, right here. He would always be in the scrapyard with his dad, looking for Rancheros. I think it is. I think it's a 59, that's what they said. Nice. It is, maybe it's not. It's not wanted. All right. Nice black on that one. Nice. 64 Chevy. That's a nice solid tone, two-door, 1955.
I know I could count on you for something.
I don't. I never go to the doctor before the back to the
That's a nice vehicle.
Which is good because that's why when I do it.
That's Chev. 64. For sale. 612-300. 1626. Go ahead and buy her. What's this one?
Underwood and Wright.
Big dog, 63. That bad boy. As you can see, bunches of people. Not your mother's station wagon anymore. Little parade here. It's a nice vehicle over here, this one. For sale. Living large. Nice. $97K. Call. 1955 Cadillac. Nice. wouldn't even fit in my garage.
I know.
I wouldn't. I'd like it, but
It's amazing.
I like when they keep hope alive. I love old Cadillacs. Feel not. It's love it.
Yeah. Oh.
Love it. Cool.
Okay, what do you want? You guys all got berries?
Well, you got your
Oh my.
gas right here. Yep. Living large.